Good evening, students. I am teaching 9th class Polynomials and Factorization, second chapter, example 12. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. It is factor or not? Okay, factor means what? Any number is divided by another number, the remainder is 0. The divisor is called factor. Okay, or the it is a multiples. For suppose, what are the multiples of 6? 6 is the multiples of 1, 2, 3, 6. So what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 divided by 1, we get the remainder is 0. 6 divided by 2, the remainder is 0. 6 divided by 3, the remainder is 0. 6 divided by 6, the remainder is 0. So 6 is a multiples of 1, 2, 3, 6. Same here also same. So examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. Okay, that means here the x plus 2 is divided by this polynomial, then it is become the remainder is 0. So here examine whether, that means the x plus 2 is a factor or not. That means how we can do that same process. Okay, x plus 2 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 2. The x value can substitute in this polynomial. If you get the 0, then it is become a factor. Otherwise, it is not a factor. Okay, so here given p of x is equal x cubed plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. So here let us take g of x is equal x plus 2. So by using factor theorem, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. So here x replaced by minus 2. So when you substitute in the place of x minus 2 in this polynomial, it is become 0, then it is a factor. Otherwise it is not a factor. So that is a p of minus 2 is equal minus 2 whole cube plus 2 into minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Okay, so here minus 2 whole cube. The negative integer is multiple odd times, it is become negative. So minus 2 whole cube, that is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus minus plus, plus into minus minus. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. That is minus 8 plus 2 into minus 2 whole square. That is minus 2 into minus 2. Minus minus plus 2 2 ja 4. So next plus into minus. Minus 3 2 ja 6 plus 6. That is minus 8 plus 8 minus 6 plus 6. So minus 8 plus 8 cancel, minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So that is p of minus 2 is 0. So that means the 0 of x plus 2 we can substitute in the given polynomial, the remainder is 0. So therefore the x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. Find the value of k if 2x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. So here let us take p of x is equal 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. Okay, so here g of x is equal 2x minus 3. So here 2x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. So by using factor theorem, so what is the factor theorem? The 0 of the divisor we can substitute in the given polynomial. If you get the 0, then the divisor is a factor of the given polynomial. That is the factor theorem. Okay, we cannot get the 0, that is called remainder theorem. Okay, so by using factor theorem, so g of x is equal to 0, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, minus 3 is minus 7 plus 2x, x is equal to 3 by 2. So x replaced by 3 by 2 in the given polynomial, that is p of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Why I can put here 0? Because the polynomial here they given that 2x minus 3 is a factor. That means the remainder is 0. So the 0 of 2x minus 3 we can substitute in the polynomial, it is become 0. That's why I can put here p of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So here p of x means polynomial with variable x. In the place of x we can put 3 by 2. That is here p of 3 by 2 is equal 2 of 3 by 2 whole cube minus 9 into 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 plus k is equal 0. Okay, here a by b whole power m, a power m by b power m. So that is here 2 into 3 cube by 2 cube minus 9 into 3 square by 2 square plus 3 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. So 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, that is 2 into 27 by 8 minus 9 into 3 square 9 by 2 square 4 plus 3 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. So 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So that is 27 by 4 minus 81 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. So here now take the denominator LCM. Here what are the denominators? 4, 4, 2, 1. So 4 is the multiples of 2. Okay, the highest number is a multiple. Okay, so here the denominator LCM is 4. So that is here 27 minus 81 plus 3 into 2 plus 4k is equal to 0. So 27 minus 81 plus 6 plus 4k, 4 divide, it is going to happen multiple 0 into 4. So here 27 plus 6, 33 minus 81 plus 4k is equal to 0. So 33 minus 81. So that is how much? 33 minus 81. That is minus 81 plus 33. So 8. So 48 minus 48 plus 4k is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 48 minus 48 is going to be plus. So k is equal to 48 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 12 ja. K is equal to 12. So the value of k is equal to 12. Show that x minus 1 is a factor of x power 10 minus 1 and x power and also of x power 11 minus 1. So here given the polynomials p of x is equal x power 10 minus 1, f of x is equal x power 11 minus 1. So x minus, so here show the term. So if let us take x minus 1 is a factor of p of x and f of x. So by using factor theorem, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So in the place of x you can put 1. So that is here x replaced by 1. So p of 1 is equal to 1 power 10 minus 1. 1 power 10, 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So p of 1 is equal to 0. So therefore x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Same f of x. Okay, here f of 1 is equal 1 power 11 minus 1. So the 1 is multiple 11 times, you can get as 1. So that is here 1 minus 1, you can get 0. F of 1 is equal to 0. So therefore x minus 1 is a factor of x power 11 minus 1. Example 15, factorize 3x square plus 11x plus 6. For this polynomial, find the factors. Okay, how we can find? By using algebraic identities. Okay, here what is the algebraic identities means? So here x square plus a plus b into x plus ab is equal. Okay, the constant term is product. Their sum is become x quotient. That is x plus a into x plus b. The factorization of this polynomial you can write as x plus a into x plus b. So here the given polynomial is 3x square plus 11x plus 6. Here x square quotient is how much? 3. Constant is how much? 6. So 3 6 ja 18. So what are the factors of 18? So here 1 18 ja, 2 9 ja. Okay, factors are nothing but multiples. Okay, so 2 9 ja, 3 6 ja. Okay, 6 3 ja, 9 2 ja, 8 1 ja. These are the factors of 18. In these factors, we take any two factors, their sum or subtraction is become x quotient. Here, what is the x quotient? 11. So, which factors are possible? 2 9. 2 plus 9 is how much? 11. So, 2 9 ja is how much? 18. Okay, so which factors we take? Their sum is become x quotient, their product is become 18. Okay, so that is here, we can write as 3x square plus, in the place of 11, we can write as 2 plus 9, x plus 6. Okay, that is 3x square plus 2 into x, 2x plus 9x plus 6, we can 6. Okay, 3x square, that is 3 into x plus 2x 2 into x, 9x 3 into x plus 6, we can add as 3 into 2. In this 2 term, what the common? X. So x is taking outside. What the remaining? 3x. By using the distributive property, so a of b plus c is equal a into b plus a into c. In this 2, what the common? 3. So 3 is taking outside. What the remaining? 3x plus 2. So the total, what the common? 3x plus 2 is common. So what the remaining? X plus 3. So the factorization of 3x square plus 11x plus 6 or 3x plus 2 into x plus 3. So if this polynomial is a multiples of 3x plus 2 and x plus 3. Okay, for this polynomial, these two are factors. Verify whether 2x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2 or not. Okay, how it is? By actual division method we can do that. Okay, or by using factor theorem. Okay, by using factor theorem, how we can do that? First, find the zeros of the divisor. It is the dividend, it is the divisor. Okay, so here given p of x is equal to 2x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. G of x is equal x square minus 3x plus 2. So here by using factor theorem, so what are the factor theorem? The zeros of the divisor is substitute in the given polynomial in the place of x, we can get zeros, then the divisor is a factor. That is called factor theorem. So here what are the divisor here? What is the divisor? X square minus 3x plus 2. So x square minus 3x plus 2. For this divisor, find the zeros. Before find the zeros, find the factors. Here 2 how we can write? 2 1 ja. 3 how we can write? 2 plus 1. Okay, so that is here x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 2 into 1 is equal to 0. So the constant term write as product of two digits. Their sum or subtraction is become x quotient. 2 we can write as 2 1 ja. 2 1 we can write as sum of x quotient. X quotient is how much here? 3. So 3 how we can write? 2 plus 1. Okay, so that is here 2 plus 1. Okay, 3x we can write as minus 2x minus 1x. In this 2 what are the common? X of x minus 2. In this 2 what are the common? Minus 1. Here plus how we can write? Minus into minus. So minus 1 is taking outside. What the remaining? X minus 2 is equal 0. So in this total what the common? X minus 2 is taking outside. What the remaining? X minus 1 is equal 0. Okay, so that is the product of two polynomials is 0. If the first polynomial is 0 or second polynomial is 0 or both polynomials are 0. So x minus 2 is equal 0, x is equal 2. X minus 1 is equal 0, x is equal 1. Now the zeros we can substitute in the given polynomial. Okay, here how many zeros you can get? 2 zeros. So the linear polynomial have getting 1 zero. The quadratic polynomial getting 2 zeros, cubic polynomial getting 3 zeros, biquadratic polynomial is 4. The nth degree polynomial is we can get n zeros. So here the divisor is quadratic polynomial. So quadratic, okay, for this quadratic polynomial how many zeros? 2 zeros. The 2 zeros you can substitute in this polynomial in the place of x. Okay, you can get 0. Then the divisor is a factor. Okay, so that is here x replaced by 2, p of 2 is equal 2 into 2 power 4 minus 6 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 2. So 2 into 2 power 4, 16, 6 into 2 cube 8 plus 3 into 2 square 4 plus 6 minus 2. So 2 16 ja 32 minus 48 plus 12 plus 6 minus 2 4. Okay, 32 plus 12 here, 32 plus 12 44, 44 plus 4 46 minus 48, that is minus 2. So in the place of x we can put 2, that is 2 of 2 power 4 minus 6 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 2. So 2 power 4, 2 is multiple 4 times, you can get as 16. 2 cube 8, 2 square 4, 3 2 ja 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, 3 4 ja 12, 6 8 ja 48, 6 32, 16 ja 32. So 32 plus 12 44, 44 plus 4 48. Okay, 48, 48 minus 48 0. So here we can get 0. So 2 is the 0 of polynomial. Next, p of 1. So that is here 2 of 1 power 4 minus 6 1 cube plus 3 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. So that is here 2 1 power 4 1 6 1 cube 1 plus 3 1 plus 3 minus 2. So that is here 2 minus 6 plus 3 plus 3 minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 cancel, plus 3 minus 6, you can get 0. So therefore here 2 1 are zeros of p of x. So therefore x square minus 3x plus 2 is a factor of 2x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2.